it's Natalia! Today I'm going to teach you some Polish! Tak in Polish means yes. Nie in Polish means no. Tak, nie. You know already how to say I am. For example, I am Natalia. In Polish, you say jestem Natalia. You can introduce yourself in a different way. So my name is, you have to say in Polish, mam na imię. As you can see in this word imię, which means name, there's the letter L. As I told you, there is 9 weird different letters in Polish alphabet. But once you learn it, it's not that difficult. So this is letter L. I'll tell you more about letter L in the next video. So remember, this is my name is, okay? So someone can tell you, mam na imię Victoria, and then you will say, nice to meet you. So how to say it in Polish? Miło cię poznać. This is how you write it. As you can see, there's 2 letters that I told you about. W, E, L. You're thinking, and a W. So this is nice to meet you. Miło cię poznać. There is a new letter, as you can see, C. But you already know this letter from word cześć, which means hi. So this example is perfect, that you can see a lot of new letters. W, L, C. Let's try to say this sentence again. Miło cię poznać. But if this sentence is very difficult for you, I got some good news. Many Polish people will say it in a simple way. Many people just say miło mi, miło mi. And this is also nice to meet you. Thank you for watching. Bye.